Welcome to this presentation on natural language processing, which is called NLP. In today's world, NLP is most popular. It's a like NLP is a part of artificial intelligence. We most widely we are using it. We'll see more on it. What is NLP? NLP is natural language processing. It's a bridge between user and machines. It is a way. It will provide the way to communicate into the system. Okay. It helps the computer to understand our human language and process accordingly. What is the difference between NLP and traditional programming? Traditional programming, it will accept structure input and rules and numbers, and it will process based on the input, and it will respond back to the same like a structured output. The difference in NLP is like it will accept unstructured input like a human speech and videos, like those input it will accept, and it will trans transfer or convert into that like a machine understandable format. Then it will process it again. It will send it back to that human after converting into the human language. So that is what the main difference. In NLP, what is a common task, like we are doing with that NLP? For the first one will be text classifications. So, which means, let's say if you provide some paragraph of text or some statement, that it will classify it whether it is a like that message, it's whether it's a sad message or positive message, or what kind of message it will classify. That is for text classification task. And then named entity recognitions, again it's this is one another model which will recognize which these content will go into the into which destinations, to identify the destination. Then the sentiment analysis, from that input we can identify whether it is, again it's we can identify the sentiment. Those data we will use it for analysis purpose. Then the machine, the another one will be machine translation, means which means we can convert human language into the machine language. So NLP, it's using by means it's NLP pipeline, which means the sequence of flow process. It's executed by the NLP system. So the that we will call it as NLP pipeline. Okay, text processing. Text processing is the first task. It's a pre-processing kind of task which will clean up the input and tokenize that input. The next one will be the feature extraction. That means it will rearrange or re-add that anything is extra required. Then modeling. We can use either ML or DL algorithm to convert into a respective machine understanding for format. Then once we get the response from the system, then we can reconvert, or we make the prediction. So based on that input, we either that input we can use it for prediction, or we can use it for some kind of response we can provide as a output. Okay. These are that basic known tools like NLTK. It's a basic NLP task which will process again CY. It's again fast and efficient NLP libraries which is available in Python for now. Okay. In real life NLP, where we are using in auto suggestion, means whenever you type it in the auto, means in the Google text box, it will auto populate. Means they say NLP will understand, means will parse the in a user input, and it will based on the input, it will detect what context based you are trying to search it. Then it will suggest the result based on your queries. Okay, so that is where they're using it, NLP. And then the Google search again, when you are querying in the Google, that Google will understand what you are expecting. So that is again another part. Okay, so these are the most popular NLP use case in the real world. Okay. Even though we have still there is some challenges in NLP, so it's language ambiguity. Okay, so sometimes it may not able to process that what the customer they're telling, and sarcasm, and it means sometimes it will understand in opposite manner. Okay, then bias in data, so the data is not proper, it will produce the wrong result. So those are the challenges is still is there. But in future NLP, the main aim here is to increase the accuracy, the accurate result, and convert the evaluation and the emotion, and understanding, turn understanding. So those things are that it's required. To wrap it up, NLP, it's a AI plus language. It's a combination of AI plus language, and and it converts unstructured text into that machine understanding form. And uh, we can use it wherever we want, like search engine, assistant, chatbot, wherever we want, we can use it. So, and the key tools, like as I told in the previous slide, Sparse CY and NLTK, it's mainly using tools for now. Okay, thanks.